We're Coconut Cult. We make a completely clean-based coconut yogurt. The growth has been insane. I've now been here for 5 years. When I first joined the company, we were in about a 13,000 square foot facility. Now we're in a 300,000 square foot facility. With the growth, some of the biggest challenges really have been sticking to our core. Whenever we've looked at trying to scale, everybody has changed the product, tried ad cams. We're not doing that. It's our core, it's Coconut Cult. So we want to make sure that the product has always been the same. We never change on the ingredients, and we make it this way. Before automation, everything's been manual. We would hand lid, hand label, hand lid sticker, hand tamper band, and then we'd put them into cases, pack them, tape them, ship them to stores. We've grown significantly from that, but the process is still technically the same, and it's still artisanal. We still use staff, we still need staff because of the way that we make it, but the automation just gets us scale. A lot of the biggest hangups that we have in scale is getting the product onto a pallet, getting it into the cold storage as fast as possible. And with KUKA, we've been able to palletize it automatically.
IPM is a full-service turnkey integration company for food and beverage manufacturers. Coconut Cult prior to this line had smaller, slower speed lines. Both the case packing and palletizing portion were in large part done by hand, and the necessity for increased capacity required a big automated line that could handle higher capacity and more throughput. IPM scope started with the filler and then everything downstream of the filler through palletizing. In this section we see the case packing operation and then the case conveyance and accumulation into our KUKA palletizing cell behind us. So the first two IonTech arms are the collation arms to form the layer. They take a single stream of product in and move it into rows and columns as needed to form the full pallet layer. And then the Quantec arm with a vacuum tool picks up that entire layer and places it on the pallet. We've utilized Jolene end-of-arm tooling for the layer pick tool and then custom fabricated collation brackets for the IonTech arms. The IonTech arms were chosen because of their speed. These are very quick movements that are necessitated to form the layers, and the Quantec arm was spec'd by payload and capacity that we needed. We have integrated dozens of KUKAs in the past. Our controls department really likes the KUKA software. We use the ConveyorTech software for the layer forming operation. We use the FlexPal software for the layer pick, and the Safe Operation Tech keeps all the arms in safe operation zones. This is a drastic increase in production capacity for Coconut Cult. It will allow them to deploy the resources they have for important jobs throughout the operation and allow a lot of the simple tasks to be done by equipment.
The goal for us really is to get product in the shelves for the customers. Now, we should be 10xing. So we should be doing 10 times the amount of product per day, per week, per month, per year, so all the customers can have as much product as they need. We launch a new flavor every month, and this just means that we can get those products, not just on our website, but all across different storefronts. We're always doing new innovation. We have all this extra staff to create that, and having all this automation means that we can start that innovation.
Making automation easier.